silver bars that one day gonna take us to the stars. 'Cause he's the man who built America.